Hi, welcome to this video, Dave, which is all about how to become a successful Forex trader. Now, anyone has the potential to make money from the markets, but we all know that the majority of traders who try to make money trading Forex fail miserably. Okay, now why do they fail? Well, in terms of Forex trading strategies, they should be very, very simple. Okay, but you need a certain mindset to succeed. Now, in terms of perhaps the simplest way of making money in Forex trading is by trading price action. Now, anyone can become a price action trader, but you do need a certain psychology to make the simple strategy work. And it's very, very important. Most traders don't realize how important the psychology side is. It's very important in terms of price action trading. And I want to demonstrate this with the youngest trader that I know. He's very, very young, but he's very, very successful, and he understands a certain theory. Okay, now the theory is coming up on a quick storyboard, a quick clip of Krishna. He's from India, and he's just doing some chart analysis. Then we'll be back to discuss. Buy, sell, or nothing?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Would you consider buying it or selling it?
Go up, sir. Go.
Sorry, let me just get my cursor.
Yes, sir.
So you want to come through those two big red bodies and this blue over here, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So you're going to buy it. Where would you place your stop?
Come on, sir. Come on, sir.
You want me to go further?
Yes, sir. Go up, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're going to be behind this big red body here, yeah?
Yes, sir.
I will come back after that short clip of myself and Krishna just doing some chart analysis. Now, he is very young, but he's very successful already. His father is actually a successful trader. He taught Krishna to trade. Krishna did 6 months of paper trading. Now he's just completed his first 6 months of real-time trading. He's made 40%, so that's an 80% annualized return if he keeps going in the way that he is. My view is he will make a fantastic trader. He's already doing very well in what has been a challenging market. Now, in terms of the Adam theory, what is it? It's the title of a book written by a legend in technical analysis called Wells Wilder. It's all about price action trading. And Wilder makes the point that most traders just cannot accept the simplicity of price action trading, which gives them totally the wrong mindset as well, which we're going to discuss in a moment. Now, in terms of, if you look at Krishna, he's not having to draw lines. He can just eyeball the chart. He can see the big picture, the whole chart. Then what he can do is he can relate the big picture to the shorter term time frame in terms of timing his entry and placing his stop. Okay, now in terms of Krishna, like I said, he is extremely young. He's just going to introduce himself now. He's going to do 2 more chart setups very quickly. I'm going to explain what he's doing or how he's doing it, and then go through the Adam theory in more detail. If you understand it, there's no question that you can become a successful Forex trader from home. It'll take about a minute, just coming up, then we'll be back to discuss.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you, sir.
And how old are you?
10 years, sir.
You're 10 years old. You're,
Yes, sir.
you're trading Forex.
Yes, sir.
What do you think of this one? Buy, sell, or nothing?
Nothing, sir.
Would you consider buying it or selling it?
Go up, sir. Yes, sir.
So through these 2 tails here, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Where would you like your stop?
Come on, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically, sorry if I got my cursor. So behind these bodies here, And this one here, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, there's a cluster of candles over there. I didn't see that.
Bob, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
You buy a breakout, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Where would you like your stop?
Come sir. Yes, sir. Bob, sir. Yes, sir.
So very tight behind this red tail, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Right, let's just go through some price action trading basics. Obviously, we've already said needs to be kept very, very simple, nothing complicated. Now, in terms of point number one, seeing the short term in the context of the long term, okay? That's what any price action trader who is successful can do. They can just visually snapshot the chart, okay? Now, let's just take what Krishna was doing on those two charts. First one, I think, was Euro SEK. He could see a big support zone, okay? Price has bounced off the support zone. You're just thinking probably, well, two candle tails, they both failed. If we take out those candle tails, then we're probably going higher. The big trend is up. I'll tuck my stop behind major support. When he looks at the crude oil chart, I'm sure he's seeing, like you can see or I can see, this is a strong trend. We had a little bit of a reversal, got the reversal candle. If we break out, we should go higher, and I'll just tuck my stop tight behind the reversal candle. Okay, so nothing complicated. Okay, now in terms of key errors that price action traders make, and it's a lot to do with the way it's taught on the net, making price action too intricate on what went on in the past. You don't need to look at every twist and turn that went on in the past. You need to see if the market is trending, if it's in consolidation. You need to just pick out the big support and resistance zones and trade them. And always focus, the traders are focused on what's happening right now. Okay. Obviously, big support and resistance levels matter in the past, but what traders did in the past, you often see these zigzag patterns, a total waste of time, which have got no bearing on what's going to be happening in the future. Okay, diagonal lines. You don't need diagonal lines to trade Forex over the longer term. Diagonal lines are obviously in hindsight. Okay, the only time I tend to draw diagonal lines is if they're in very short time frames. Okay, just to show the momentum. Okay, that's their only use for me. If you draw a price line that's diagonal back over a year, let's say, the price has changed too much for the two prices to be relevant to each other. That should be obvious. But most traders don't think about that. They will draw too many diagonal lines. They're a pet hate of mine over the longer term periods. Stop placement. You've got to give the market room to breathe. You've got to have your stop in a logical area that gives you enough protection. Okay. Accepting the outcome. Any price action trader has to just do this. Price action. You're trading with an edge. You're trading the odds. If you get stopped out, you get stopped out. Okay, that's just part of the game. Now, a lot of price action traders I know argue with the price still. You get that normally with traders who trading the fundamentals or something like that, not just pure price action. So you just have to accept the outcome. And obviously your edge will work over the longer term. The Adam theory on innocent thinking. Now, Wells Wilder, actually this is an interesting book actually, because he's developed some of the most popular trading indicators around. Think the RSI, parabolic SAR, etc. And he's doing now a book, or he was doing this book on pure price action trading. He has a very simple price action trading strategy in the book. He does make the point that children see the truth better than adults. They don't suffer so much from ego problems, greed and fear, because money isn't so important to them. And he says, in terms of adults, they forget that Forex trading is a game with rules. If you tell a child it's a game with rules, then they'll play it as a game. And I've seen children, really be able to see the truth better than adults. And I've said it in a previous video of mine. Trading the markets and the price was going against me. My little niece says, you the wrong way round. I can't remember exactly what she said. And I said, yeah, but if it gets up to whatever point it is, I'll probably come out. But I'm hoping it'll go down. And she just said, looks like it's going up to me. And of course it went up and stopped me out. A child will see the truth on a price chart. This was Wilder's point. It's a fair point, actually. Because, as adults, we do get more ego problems. But, money is very important to us. And that really causes us to have problems when we trade Forex. Now, Krishna is young. He doesn't suffer from any ego problems, okay? He doesn't get greedy. He's not fearful. He's just seeing it, as a game with rules. A challenging game, a fun game for him. And he'll do his best. And if he gets stopped out, he gets stopped out. Obviously, he wants to win, but he's going to accept what Forex trading is all about. So youth can be an advantage. Forex, so simple. That's why it's so difficult. It's a paradox because as humans, we want to complicate things, okay? We don't want to see the reality. We don't want, in many instances, to see the truth. That's what you're trying to do. You want to see the reality and trade the truth, which was a title of a book a while ago. I can't remember who wrote it, but it was very good. I'll try and remember it by the end of this video. Point number 6, learning and improving price action trading and seeing the human psychology. Okay, you need practice to be a good price action trader. Now, in terms of Krishna, he's practicing with me. His father said, would you mind? I thought, Krishna might get a little bit bored with me just showing him endless charts. But no, he actually enjoys it because he wants to improve his trading. The more experience you get, the more you get the feel for the human psychology that is behind the chart, okay? You need practice. There's no way around it. You can never trade in just one set way. You actually have to think and try and work out the psychology of the chart. That might be an obvious point, but I think a lot of price action traders, they don't want to rely on themselves. I said this in Forex trading generally, okay? They want setups that are complicated or the same, that they can just trade without really thinking about what is going on with the participants that obviously are giving the price action or producing the price action. Seeing reality, subjective judgment anew. When we say seeing reality, it's a subjective reality. It is for everyone, okay? And in terms of your trading success, no one else but you can actually achieve it. Okay, no one is there to basically lead you to success. You have to make success for yourself, if that makes sense. And Christian and his father very kindly said to me that I helped them become successful traders. Well, they probably took a few points from the education that we do. Then they make it their own. They practice, and it just basically then becomes their techniques. It's like, let's say with my trading, I learned off people. I just made the techniques my own because I wanted something to fit me. Okay, I think everyone needs a strategy that fits them. Okay, Wells Wilder's best quotes on trading success follow. I'm just going to put them up to finish this video. The quotes might seem very obvious to a lot of traders, but actually, if you think about them, there's a lot of wisdom in the quotes. I really love them. I put them in a video a little while ago. I don't think many people saw them. I think they're motivational for me. I hope you enjoy them. Quotes are coming up. Thank you very much for watching this video as usual. Take care and have a good day.